Are you looking to boost your energy, improve your health, and feel better every day? A vegan diet might be the key. Let's explore the incredible advantages of switching to a plant-based lifestyle and how it can help you get fit in daily life. First, let's talk about fitness. A vegan diet is an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a lean, strong body. Plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which supports heart health and helps manage weight. Plus, many plant proteins, found in beans, lentils, and tofu, are just as effective for building muscle as animal proteins. But it's not just about the physical benefits. A vegan diet is rich in fiber, an important component that supports digestion, keeps you feeling fuller longer, and helps regulate blood sugar. It helps maintain a healthy gut, giving you more energy and improving overall wellness. Hydration is key when it comes to fitness, and a vegan diet provides the nutrients needed to stay hydrated. Foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens have high water content, helping you stay energized throughout the day. A vegan diet is also an antioxidant powerhouse. Fruits and vegetables like berries, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants, which fight inflammation and support your immune system. This means quicker recovery after workouts and better long-term health. Now, you might be wondering, can a vegan diet provide enough protein? Absolutely. Plant-based proteins are rich in amino acids that help with muscle repair and growth. By including a variety of plant-based protein sources like chickpeas, tempeh, quinoa, and lentils in your meals, you'll ensure your body gets the fuel it needs. One of the most wonderful things about a vegan diet is the variety it offers. From delicious bowls of hearty grains to fresh, vibrant salads to protein-packed smoothies, there's no shortage of tasty meals that will keep you satisfied and on track with your fitness goals. And it's not just about your body, it's about your mind, too. A vegan lifestyle is often associated with a more mindful approach to eating, reducing stress, and supporting mental clarity. Ready to transform your health and fitness with the power of plants? Start your vegan journey today. Try swapping out just one meal for a delicious plant-based option this week and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a vibrant, healthy lifestyle. Join our community and let's support each other in making positive changes, because when you eat well, you feel well. Follow us on YouTube for more vegan recipes, fitness tips, and inspiration. Let's thrive together.